I had problem number 20, which says for all integers n is greater than or equal to 2, let f of n denote the largest possible integer m such that the m root of n is an integer. And then evaluate f of 2 plus f of 3 all the way up to f of 112. So let's just look at the first couple values. So f of 2 is going to be 1 because 2 is a prime number, so the highest root it has is just 1. It doesn't have a square root or anything. That's going to be the same thing for f of 3. And then f of 4 has a square root. The square root of 4 is 2. So that means m is going to be 2. Let's skip to f of 8. 8 doesn't have a square root, but it has a cube root. The cube root of 8 is 2. So that means m is going to be, or f of 8 is going to be 3. And then let's skip down to f of 16. Now 16 has a square root, which is 4, but it also has a fourth root. The fourth root of 16 is 2. And 4 is bigger than 2, so that means m is going to be 4. So what we really have to look at are like the powers of 2, powers of 3. So let's look at those. Powers of 2 are 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, and then the next one is 128, but that's bigger than 112, so we don't need to worry about it. And then you look at powers of 3, 9, 27, 81. We don't need to look at the powers of 4, since 4 is a power of 2, and any power of 4 would be a power of 2. So we can look at 5. The next power of 5 is bigger than 112, so next is 6, 7, 8 is a power of 2, so we don't need to worry about that. 9 is a power of 3, so any power of 9 is a power of 3. So then the next one is 10. And then if we look at 11, 11 squared is 121, which is bigger than 112, so we don't need to worry about that. So these are all of the numbers between 2 and 112 that are going to give you a value other than 1. Any other number is going to be 1, like f of 2, f of 3. So what are these numbers going to give you? Well, f of 4, we already saw that gives you 2. And that's going to be the same with every number in this column. Every number has a square root. And then every number here, f of 8, we saw is 3. So every number in this column is a cube root. So f of 27 is going to give you 3. This column is going to give you 4, 5, and 6. And then any other number between 2 and 112 is going to give you 1. But how many numbers other than these numbers are there between 112 and 2 and 112? So let's first figure out how many numbers are between 2 and 112. That's 112 minus 2 plus 1, which is 111. And then there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 numbers there. So all the other numbers, there are 111 minus 12, 99. So then there's 99 numbers where the value is going to be 1. So now we just have to add them all up. So you're going to have every one of these values is going to be 2. So you're going to have 2 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 3 times 2 plus 4 times 2 plus 5 plus 6, and then plus 99, because that's all the other values that give you 1. And then all these numbers added together is going to give you 136. And then that's your answer.